My lord,
May hear him out.
Huh?
your lordship, kind leave to mention Mikhail matter, my lord. Kind article, my lord. Petitioner notes photograph has been published in the social media, my lord, and it is published by the accused person, my lord. I have complained before the Cyber Lalpali police station as well as local police station. They for 14th of July have been lost the complaint. FIR has been registered on 18th of July, my lord. But till date, no one, neither the photo has been taken down, my lord, nor he has been arrested, my lord. Kindly, my lord, the deputy is here, my lord.
File the matter. File the matter and see it.
My lord, only one prayer, my lord. Learned advocates, my lord, matter. My lord, she had lodged a 498A case, my lord. Your lordship, my lord, had called for the case diary. My lord, your lordship had indicated monthly list of May under the heading 4 orders. My lord had mentioned it. Your lordship said that indicated that this monthly list, the matter could have been taken up. Because the monthly list will come out on Monday, my lord. If this matter could be kept at a position.
If it is there, files have come, I will definitely.
If I can just give it, my lord, for Monday, the monthly list.
Achhe. It's there in the monthly list.
Well, if it could be taken up any
Monday, I'll see how to organize the list. Chalo, please.
Matter item 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
This आगे दिन दिए थे और
अरे তোমাকে সকালে ঠেলে দিল
Well, these are those two matters. Milord, relating Milord those deaths in Khejuri by way of electrocution. Milord, on the last occasion, Milord, your lordship was magnanimous enough, Milord, to express your lordship's mind that your lordship was inclined to send all the documents to Milord Kolani Ames for a second opinion with regard to the cause and the nature and manner in which the deaths took place. Milord, only one request that I had made on the previous occasion was a day's time, Milord, to take instructions with regard to, Milord, the cremation of the bodies. Milord, I have taken instructions. Milord, the request that my clients, Milord, have made to me, Milord, and the prayer that I'm making before your lordship is, Milord, if, Milord, the learned advocate general and, Milord, his clients, Milord, the IOs, Milord, they will send the documents pursuant to your lordship's order to Kolani Ames. Milord, and if that can be, Milord, pursuant to your lordship's direction, that opinion can be, Milord, sent back in a particular time frame, Milord. During that period, Milord, if, Milord, this prayer, Milord, I am making, Milord, that if Milord, for those 6 or 7 days, Milord, we can preserve the body at our own cost, Milord, at a place like P7 or something.
Mr. Chatterjee, I would have. This doctor's statement I have gone through and the opinion after receipt of the histopathological report.
Lordships.
That is a very convincing report.
Milord, I understand, Milord, and Milord, I do not want to, Milord, Milord, make any submissions when your lordship has personally looked into a document, Milord. But only, Milord, kindly consider, Milord, the state of mind of the family members, Milord.
Then each and every death, accidental death or suicidal death or a death in any form, unnatural death in that circumstance, attaches emotion with it. I've got no issues regarding that. They have a mindset, mind frame, which they intend to impose. Now, that is not possible for all officers to accept also.
Milord, I understand, Milord. Milord, my intention is never to, Milord, negotiate or, Milord, bargain with the court.
That.
Milord,
you convince, I'm only on one reason, sir, I am granting this prayer of all these documents being sent. That is because of the wrong recording of the whoever has recorded that in the postmortem report. That is the only ground. That's a wrong way of representation in the postmortem report. Otherwise, so far as the medical report is concerned, he has taken full opinion is there. The only thing now is that difference of opinion between the doctor, the state level doctors and the central government doctors. You want that? I'm giving it to you with full videography, everything. The videography will also go. Number one. Number two is this. I don't want to make this a matter of course, sir. Everybody will come with this.
Milord, only, Milord, in those cases where we make out a case, Milord,
No,
only
no,
those
make out a
cases, your
case
lordship
means
is.
the reason you have given is answered. It's not that no case has been registered. A case under 103(1) is there already on
Yes,
records.
they are corresponding to 302.
Now it is the attending circumstances which we just add to the cause of death. At this stage, as a court of law, I will not allow this. This is very difficult.
Milord kindly considers this, Milord, that if your lordship directs a cremation, then Milord, it becomes mandatory, Milord, on the litigant. But Milord, if your lordship, Milord, directs the Milord second opinion to come, Milord, the body is in the morgue. Milord, we can keep it in a place like P7 or some place like that, Milord, because 12th of July the incident happened. Milord, today we are on 2nd of August. Milord, almost, Milord, more than 20 days have elapsed.
No,
Milord,
that-
another 5-6 days, Milord, this will, Milord, give a closure to the family also, Milord. They will, Milord.
They will never accept this, sir.
No, Milord.
I am facing this in some of the cases. This is a new trend which has come, sir.
Milord, speaking for myself, Milord, the cases where, Milord, I have also appeared in, Milord, second autopsy, Milord, litigation before your lordship, Milord. When the second opinion has come, Milord, we have also persuaded, Milord, the litigants to understand that, see, this is a very, very scientific issue which people of high expertise can only give an opinion. And we are not in a position to give that scientific opinion. And in those cases, Milord, also the cremation has happened. Milord, if Milord, 7 days time, Milord, your lordship would afford us.
Sir, I will be silent on the cremation.
Lordship.
I'll pass my directions,
Lordships.
but the state will not at its cost preserve the bodies, sir.
Lordships. We'll put, if required, Milord, we'll put in the.
Yes, Mr.
Milord, if your lordship recollects, Milord, on the first day, Milord, I said that let
I'm
them
very
have.
satisfied with the report, sir.
Now, Milord, if when your lordships have, my lord is satisfied with the report, possibly, Milord, now, Milord, I will renew my prayer, or I would change my prayer that kindly dismiss the writ petition. Because nothing is left. Something has to be made out. What was troubling the court was, Milord, the information which was given by the police, which is recorded in the post-mortem report. That was one of the possibly the sole troubling factor. Now, your lordship may kindly have a relook to that. I have looked into that on the day when my lord was pleased to observe that I did not notice this. What the police had said, as it was recorded in the post-mortem report, it says that, however, as per another witness, deceased died due to alleged assault. What is noted. Therefore, what a witness had said was given by the police or informed by the police while Milord sending it for post-mortem. Now, Milord, the doctor's statement is before your lordship. The post-mortem report is before your lordship.
The opinion is also there.
Opinion is there, histopathological report is there, everything is there, which does not indicate or mean as of now, but whatever doubts were there, I would say in the mind of the court, if at all, but legally, Milord, and medically also, Milord, stands dispelled today. But I, Milord, completely appreciate and, Milord, respect, Milord, the emotions that a family suffered, Milord, due to untimely death of their family members. It's appreciated. But, Milord, in this case, at least, Milord, I don't think there is any doubt whatsoever. Kindly do not send it for any, Milord, opinion of the some central agency. But some case has to be made out.
The thing is that if I say more, the case will be spoiled actually.
Yes.
You are registering, you have already registered a case under 103. Now you are investigating the case. Right, wrong, indifferent, whatever it is. There are at least one statement is there to the effect that as a result of assault, this has been done. There is an opinion of the doctor to that effect. And there is an opinion, reasoning also regarding the railway marks which are appearing at the back. Now, these two factors, whether such marks can be after rigor mortis takes place or not, these has got or some reasoning. This is a disturbing factor, sir. That after death, whether marks can be there on the body. I'm not an expert on the subject, and I have not, because the reason I've seen the reasoning of the doctor. Also, I'm not a doctor's reasoning. Obviously, I cannot uh, without going into depth of the matter or consulting the literature. It's not possible for me to also say this is right or wrong. Uh, So, so far as the writ petition is concerned, let a second postmortem be held. So far as rest is concerned, second postmortem, sorry, second report be called for opinion only on the basis of documents and videography. Let the aim check that with the
But
history.
could I make this prayer, Milord? Could I
Yes.
make this prayer, Milord? Today, Milord, since your lordship is prima facie satisfied that no second postmortem is required, therefore, for a second opinion to another authority, well, I won't say an independent authority because police has got no involvement over here. State police has got, at least they have not pointed fingers at the state police, except, Milord, expressing some doubts which arose by reason of the marks in the back of one of the victims. Otherwise, also, Milord, there is no allegation
One
against
and
the
two is
police.
that what the police represented before the, because they were not aware. Whatever they heard, they
Yes,
represented.
and that they are supposed to do. If a witness comes and says something,
Nothing.
nothing.
These are so one.
May I say this? I was only suggesting this, Milord. Though, Milord, possibly that also I should not make a prayer before the writ court. Milord, if the trial court feels that a second opinion is required, the trial court can take this opinion.
That
Because now the documents are there.
the second, the issue is that had you not registered a case, had it been a UD case, it would
Yes.
have been different.
No, I appreciate. But when a murder case has been registered, Milord, whatever is required for the investigating agency to do, that can be done. Whatever the trial court requires to either bring home the charges, not the trial court, or to, the prosecution needs to bring home the charges.
Then this will be closure of a case basically. Once this postmortem report is accepted, this will be a closure of a case.
No, my
I can
learned,
foresee that, sir.
no, if it is a closure of a case, my learned friends, clients have
That,
the remedy.
that will be too late in the day. That is why I am saying.
Therefore, today, Milord, your lordship is sending for a second, minded to send for a second opinion based on the documents which have already surfaced
And the videography of the
and the
postmortem.
videography. So
Nothing
that
further
can
than
be done by the trial
And
court
we-
also.
no, trial court, it will be too late, sir.
Yes.
Too late because then, see, the report is in the nature, if the investigating agency is unable to collect any witnesses in support of your case, that will be closure of a case. Because no offense is made out then. So far, you have gone through the report. Now, according to you, all on a sudden, those things, those electric lights or something like fell on these persons. Now you have state has decided to register a case, huh? That will be adding to your advantage only for the timing officially, sir. Irrespective, I'm not disrespecting anybody. Uh, Only on the materials what are before me. This doctor has given an opinion.
And that should come into the matter, Milord. Please consider after whether, Milord, the writ court's jurisdiction should be invoked any further or not. But your lordship has been very, very kind enough to ensure that all doubts get dispelled.
This doubt remains perhaps.
But every death, every untimely death is full of doubts.
Basically,
Every untimely death.
I have said experience. I have no issues because there are cases also where I am facing difficulty. I cannot dispose of the case because of overwhelming emotions.
Yes.
I'm just listening to those matters.
But this is not one of those matters where, Milord, your lordship will find.
These are two things are there, sir. This may not be a publicized matter, but two things are there. One is regarding the railway marks. This is the answer. Then I have
That
got
has been answered.
that has been answered
That
by
has been answered. But right or wrong, as your lordship has been pleased to observe,
After
that
the
the
court-
court is not an expert to ascertain whether the answer is correct or incorrect.
but their allegation is that they have been assaulted.
Yes.
You have
So
registered.
then, my lord, then, my lord,
have
that will, my lord, cause
I'm not.
harm to my learned friend's client. Then, my lord, I have to file an affidavit.
I understand that. But then the thing is that you have registered a case.
Yes,
It's not
that
that.
will investigate. But so many murder cases are, my lord, registered, but that does not mean that these postmortem reports or histopathological report or these opinions should go before an independent or a central government agency or an hospital. Then it will become a rule of law.
There is reluctance on the part of the investigating agency.
No, it's not a
That is
question
why
of
they have a
reluctance.
prayer
Well,
for transfer of
it is
investigation as
there has been no unfairness on the part of investigating agencies. Your lordships have always interfered where your lordships have found that there is something to doubt the independence of the investigating agency. A fault in an investigation cannot be a ground at the most. I can understand, there is some fault in the investigation. Where a fault in an investigation is not a ground, to interfere. In my very respectful submission.
But
Where
time-
remedies are available under the BNSS or
it will be
CRPC.
too late. In an investigation, time is the essence, particularly in a murder case, my lord.
This can be done on affidavits also. You are correct.
Yes.
Because, but these two things remain. You cannot overcome. One is that
That's what I was saying.
the documents are there. Number one, the videography will be there.
Yes.
The reports have been collected. It's only a case of second opinion. Let them place their case on affidavit, sir.
My lord, let
But
the
I
opinion be
would
called for.
not dare say,
Unnecessarily, it will cause
with
delay.
utmost reluctance,
respect,
I
my
made
lord.
this submission.
I'm telling you, in case such an opinion come, it will automatically lead to transfer of the investigation, sir.
But that opinion has to be called for by your lordship. They will not seek that opinion from
No,
us.
obviously not, sir. So let them file their affidavit, whatever.
But that will again delay, my lord.
2 weeks time, I understand that will delay, but that is a document-based material. The work will be done. We are not on the issue relating to re-postmortem or second postmortem. We are on the issue relating to second postmortem because one is this adrenaline marks which is appearing at the back of the body, and is the initial statement which was recorded on the version of the police authorities.
Lordships.
They are investigating a case under section 103(1). It's a case has been registered. Now, if they say that they intend to file an affidavit, how can I prevent them? Because see,
My lord,
once they file the affidavit, after exchange of affidavits,
But if the court
after
has
eight-
filed it
my
within
lord, they
7
are
days,
making
I
this
file it
prayer.
within
They
7
are
days.
making this prayer after 8 days of hearing. After your lordships have substantially expressed your lordship's mind, when they are aware of what is happening, and the entire focus, my lord, is to, my lord, prevent the second postmortem. The entire investigation is not aimed at, my lord,
Establish
unearthing
your
the
right for
truth.
a second postmortem.
It is-
I'll succumb.
I have established my rights.
Just doubts.
I have shown
Just
from-
doubts,
Lord,
cannot
this
on the
postmortem-
back of a
this
deceased.
postmortem
cannot
was
be a
supplied
ground.
to us after your lordships directed. The first copy was hazy. Again, after the second day's hearing, we got the, my lord, legible copy. My lord, initially the copy that was supplied was hazy. That
Only
also
10
Is a ground
we
to
have
go
brought-
for second
that is-
postmortem.
10 days time I'm giving them
Yes.
Lord,
for filing affidavit. 10 days time only.
my lord, let them also include, my lord, these opinions in their affidavit so
No,
that
no,
we
no.
can also
Whatever
make it
is
so.
can
Because I am a
close.
victim, I am not an accused.
No, maybe, but still investigating papers made, I cannot.
Whatever they have
yes.
issues on that, I will decide that.
Yes.
Lordships.
Huh?
File that
Let them without because
But my lord, kindly record that this stance is being taken on occasions of hearing, my lord.
My lord, your
First
lordship
day-
will
first- first
my lord,
day-
I stand by whatever I say. Your lordship will record every day's
with-
submission of mine,
Ah.
starting from the first day I had considered for a second postmortem
Very good.
report.
that is what I am indicating.
Yes.
Day one,
Therefore,
my learned
now
English
that
friend
all the
proceeded-
documents are before
Mr. Chatterjee, investigation is a dynamic process.
Lordships.
It changes with collection of
Yes.
material.
In this case, my lord, it is
It
only
may be-
one
it may be you will be-
one-way traffic.
I don't think so right now. Right now it is not there until unless because see once had it been UD case was going on without any, I would have believed your version. I would not ought have granted any opportunity of affidavits or I would not have
connected to the zone
once they
global national
103. The difficulty is that that initial reluctance of the police authorities to address the issue that goes off. In many cases, we have found that this is with experience I have. So far as your this second opinion, I'm still with you.
Lordships.
Huh. But then if they intend to use an affidavit, I must give an opportunity.
But kindly then give a very short period.
10 days time I'm granting them. And I will hear it within 2 weeks, I'll hear the matter. Because the issue will be very short, sir. Issue will be very short.
In this case, we could have avoided this.
Huh?
No, my lord.
In this case, but after
Yes,
these
the
reports,
affidavit
we
could have been avoided.
rigmarole of
Second
affidavits
opinion
and all.
would have been called
Very
for.
well. Very
We also work on the issue
Because
apart from these authorities on when second postmortem can be granted.
lordships.
That will be one part. And after if it is granted, then on the second part will be regarding transfer of investigation.
Lordships, because initially, my lord, all the previous hearings that have taken place before your lordship were restricted to the issue of the second postmortem, because it was your lordship's pleasure to say that your lordship initially is considering that issue. Thereafter, if there is any issue relating to residuary issue relating to transfer of investigation, that may be considered later. Until today, my lord, both of us, my lord, myself and my learned senior friend, were addressing your lordship on the issue of second
that
postmortem.
way going on the first day he consented for a second.
First day kindly recollect the chain of events. First day he consented. Second day he said lamppost fell down. Third day he said there is a video
on the first day.
Third day he said
No.
Third day he said there is a video of the incident occurred
Yes,
that has occurred. I was shown the video. It's a post occurrence video after the persons are lying dead. So, my lord, every day, my lord, a prevarication has happened, which, my lord, necessitates this second postmortem.
No, the lordship has been pleased to observe whatever I.
Postmortem report also doesn't disclose about these railway line marks. They could have written that in the postmortem.
That has been explained.
Post, according to the doctor, that is because the body was kept on the stretcher. That part.
But that is in contradiction with what is recorded on top of the report.
I will see to that. There are two issues I have said already. It's not that I have not expressed my mind.
My lord.
Which court is in your favor. But if state intends to file an affidavit, I cannot prevent it.
It has been heard substantially by your lordship. So much of paperwork has been done.
court has
Copy paste. And
learned advocate.
am I audible or visible?
Mr. Banerjee is also here.
Audible and visible. Mr. Banerjee.
Led by learned advocate general.
Earlier, all the reports have been, including this earlier, all the reports of the all the reports except FSL, which is yet to be collected, has been placed before the court. There is opinion of the postmortem doctor also, along with his statement. Learned Advocate General intends to use an affidavit in opposition. Mr. Chatterjee opposite is the same. However, having regard to the fact that a case has already been registered, number of the case.
My lord, the number of the cases, my lord.
I'll give you the number, my lord.
There are two cases, my lord. One is Khejuri 384 of 2025.
Khejuri.
That relates to the death of, my lord, the person who has the railway line marks.
Khejuri APS case number 384 of 2025. I keep pulling sentence.
385.
That relates to, my lord, writ petition 15931.
Under section 103 bracket 1 oblique 35 bracket 5 of BNS 2023. I am of the opinion that since the investigation in a criminal case is continuing and state has reservations in respect of a second opinion in for the purpose is of the findings arrived at in respect of the finding arrived at by the doctor of what was it? Tamrolipto Government Medical College and Hospital, Tomluk. Yes, it has got reservations. কি বললাম ওটা? হ্যাঁ, doctor. হ্যাঁ, I'm of the view that opportunity to file an affidavit must be granted to the state. Accordingly, the affidavit in opposition be filed by আজকে কত তারিখ?
Today is my lord 2nd of
Second.
August.
By 12th of August 2025. You want to file reply?
By 14th if required.
This will go to 18th actually.
My lord can fix it on 18th. By 14th we'll file the reply. If
Affidavit-
required.
Affidavit in reply, if required, be filed on 14th of August 2025. List the repetition on 18th of August 2025
And let the direction be peremptory, my lord.
under the heading
Sentence, my lord. আপনার
under the heading key below under the heading forwarders at 4 p.m.
Lord.
Rupees 385. Data must be 385.
Pike.
My lord, Pike is the issue of postmortem that relates to WPA
91.
384 is Pike, my lord.
384 is Pike.
Those
384
are cases you don't require. You require in 15931 only.
15931.
Huh?
15931 relates to, my lord, this railway line.
There's Subhash Chandra Pike.
If they want to file, my lord, the affidavit in the other matter, let them also file. Your lordship can finish off in one go, my lord. Piecemeal.
এটাই কিছু নেই তো।
কিছু নেই তো
This is
the
the-
other
No,
matter
in the other
is also-
postmortem also the same thing is written.
Huh?
In the other postmortem also, if your lordship sees the postmortem of the other person also,
But the dead body doesn't reflect that.
there is no other
And
injury,
dispose
but there
of-
is a case of assault made out and transfer of in.
That is only, but there is no railway line available over there.
No, in that there is no railway.
Over here, these two
Well-
factors are there. Where is some right, wrong, indifferent. According to me, some corroborating material is there. Maybe wrong corroborating materials also. Because but then I more or less let them come with the affidavit. I will just.
but the other matter your lordship may dispose it.
No, my lord, let it remain. My lord.
আরে যেমন স্টেট এফিডেভিট চাইছে তেমন ওরাও এটা রাখতে চাইছে had he the earlier date things would have been different.
Yes. Very good.
So in this matter, the consistency is the inconsistency of the stance of the state.
Right.
That is the consistency.
The more the court delves into the matter, the more my stand is shifting.
No, see one thing, Mr. Chatterjee, the more you ask the court to do certain things, I had to call for reports. Once a medical report I am satisfied with, sir, to certain extent, but the attending circumstances may not satisfy me. The opinion satisfy me. Attending circumstances do not satisfy me. There is a scope for you. But then, since they have produced a report completely with scientific reasonings, for a scientific reasoning, sir, I don't have an answer right now. Anyway,
Let the affidavit come, my lord. Then I think it will be.
and you prepare yourself for second
Lordships.
postmortem.
Lordships.
There are human rights actually materials.
Mhm.
All the state human rights materials for second judgments are very poor. I was working on it actually. কি বললাম? হ্যাঁ উইথ করে দাও। ওটা 385 উইথ করে করবেন আলাদা, ওটা আলাদা করবে, খালি খেজুরি পিএস 385 করে দেবে।
কবে থাকবে?
384 বললাম তো। আচ্ছা ওই খেজুরি পিএস কেস নাম্বার 384 বললাম না?
Date of
আর আগে
date of return.
First one, second one is 385.
এই যে
931 relates to 384. 15931 relates to 384.
385 KJPs. 384/25 or 385/25.
Matter is fixed on
18th August, 4 p.m.
obliged.
Item number 3, old matter.
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে। আরে আমায় দিয়ে কি হবে? আমি করতে পারবো নাকি?
4, 5,
5 minute I appear for the state.
Always.
6,
Nobody is there.
7,
7 on for the again.
8.
Millard, the petitioner,
Madam,
what have papers today? Because,
You have the petitioner?
yes,
Item number 7. That's Hochi 798. Come some other day.
500 days delay, Millard.
I will do it. No issue.
9,
My lord, item number 8, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
8. Nobody is there for the state, sir.
My lord, my lord.
9. You are there. Just let me see whether anybody for the state is there. 9. Sorry, sir. You have a resolution. I can't do anything.
11, 12,
I'm 11, your lordship. I'm appearing for the respondent.
Come some other day, madam. I'll again call these matters. Put this in the monthly list and call.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
My lord, in item number 17, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
17. Anybody for the state?
My
Come.
lord,
Nobody is.
my lord.
19,
My lord, I am for the respondent number 1, my lord.
20,
Some other day. Keep a watch on the list.
I'm for the petitioner.
Chalo, rakho.
21, 22, 23, 24,
Muntiwari for state lordship.
25,
24. Nobody for the petitioner.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
30, my lord, I am for the petitioner.
31, 32,
32 and for the petitioner, this matter had appeared before this honorable court on 23rd of September 2024. When this honorable court had directed the private respondent to submit the original sanction plan and the registered deed of conveyance, which is the document, the sanction plan is a document on which the forced signature is made before the state authority, my lord. And the state authority was directed to file report, my lord. The petitioner before your lordship is 80 years old citizen, my lord.
Your state. Come some others. Without the state, I can't do anything.
My lord.
33,
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
34, 35,
I am for the petition.
36.
35 there. 35. Who is for the petitioner?
35 I am for.
আচ্ছা 25 বার কর 5 বার কর পাওয়া গেছে
It is a by Patta, the petitioner obtained 5 decimal of lands from the state.
Hmm.
It is annexed, my lord, the Patta is annexed with the petitioner 31 page 15. This is the Patta.
আমি শ্রীমতী সুজাতা ইউ আর সুজাতা পাড়ুয়া
Sujata Purva Purika.
আমি
The contiguous land.
alright, you faced with inconveniences, you file a fresh representation. This is a representation. I am concerned with police, not with the land. Of February 2024.
What happened, my lord?
So that may happen. You may have a grievance. I don't dispute that, sir.
Well, certain restrictions is required because
Not at this belated stage, sir. You see, come to your representation when it was made with the police authorities, sir.
24, my lord.
February 2024.
By dint of the, my lord, the report of the police authority.
তাদেরকে আমি
Others may come to
কোনো সমস্যা
this
ছাড়া
report at page, my lord. And
No, sir, you submit a fresh representation. This is almost কত হলো February থেকে হলো on August.
satisfied,
1 year 5 months.
my lord,
kindly have a look to next week. What is the police?
No, I understand that. You file a fresh representation.
Again, my lord, I have to come, my lord.
But I can't do. This is not the duty of the writ court also to assess. Cholo, cholo.
It's been a long time.
Uh-huh.
There's still something. I have
At
only
this ability-
grievances. I have only grievances in terms of the section 124 to measure my land, to locate my land.
Petitioner is aggrieved by the inaction of the police authorities, and as the representation which was submitted on or about February 2024 was not acted upon. Full stop. Petitioner's main grievance is the resistance faced by the petitioner from the private respondents for measurement of land. Be that as it may, since the time which was referred to in the contents have passed, have already elapsed. Petitioner, if faced with inconveniences, would submit a fresh representation to the officer in charge, Sutahata Police Station. The concerned police station will consider the representation in accordance with law. With the aforesaid observations, WPA 7215 of 2024 is disposed of Sadaka.
I'm praying.
Not at this moment.
Promulgate the order of the 144 court at least.
144 থাকে 1.5 বছর তাহলে কি করে কি হলো?
I this file.
ডাকো
My lord, item number 36 are big to appear for the petitioner, my lord.
হ্যাঁ রেখে দেবেন না এর নামগুলো ডিসপোজ অফ ডিসপোজ বলেছি তো আমার মাথা আমার ভালো লাগে না কাজ করতে শুনুন না nobody is there for the state.
37.
My lord, 36 I am here, my lord, for petitioner.
The state is not there.
37 well, I am for the petition.
My lord, Monday on same position, my lord.
Same position, no. Monthly list. Monday cannot be same position.
My lord, my lord, kindly, my lord.
But হবে পরে হবে
37 my lord 37.
36 nobody is
40 41
আরে বাবা কোর্টে চলে এসেছে nobody for the state, nothing.
42
আর কিছু হবে না এখন. When I will take updated matters, I'll take your matters. I'll just let me just check the draft of the monthly list, sir.
Yes. I have everything with me. I cannot construct.
Construction chai.
We have the sanction plan. Your lordship wanted a demarcation that has also been done.
Wait, I will sometime next week. I'll take up the matter.
43
Make yourself available when the matter is called.
45 45 lordship I am appearing for the petition.
45 chalo
But the question with regards to private respondents are related.
ছেড়ে দাও.
Lordship, only prayer.
No prayer then.
It was taken up before my Lord Justice Rajiv Singh Bharadwaj in the last year. The Bangladesh nationals are occupying my.
I will consider that, sir. All on a sudden, I will consider this next week. Keep a watch on the list. I'll call the updated matters.
46 47 48 49 50
9 I am for the states.
Nobody is there.
51 52 53
53, my lord, I appear for the state.
Nobody for the petitioner.
54
My lord, 54 I am appearing for the petitioner in this matter, my lord.
Leave হয়ে গেলাম।
For the state.
56
Not 55.
Nobody for the
But
state.
I understand my only difficulty is that finally fixes any date. But otherwise, I'll be difficult.
I'll call next week. Don't have to worry.
But this review application,
I will call next week. কি করবো রেজলিউশন ও নেবে ওগুলো
I only is the difficulty.
had the letter of the
I have an injunction order in my favor.
Mr. Ahmed, you can't do like this. You will take resolutions and you will pressurize the court. Both can't go on, sir. You have got to feel that for the court also.
57
Nothing difficulty. I'm still doing matters. If you ask me expertly to do all the matters, I'll do the matters. I've got no issues. What can I do, sir?
58
It's a request of the bar I am keeping.
If it is not taken up, can I mention it in the next week?
Next week I'll call definitely, sir. I'll definitely call, sir. Updated matters
Yes,
this
my lord, I am for
month
the
I could
petition.
not call because of shortage. I've completed the new motions. New motions are completely under.
Angie, not today, 59.
All right, all right.
61,
My lord, I am for the petition in the 60.
62,
Nobody is there, sir.
63, 63.
Well, 62 only can I file my exception, man. I have already served upon them. Well,
Next day, next day.
otherwise it will not
Next
come.
week I'll call all the matters. Don't have to worry.
64, 63.
63 he was there too. 63 you said.
62.
Okay.
63, I'm the add-on party, my lord, and the learned advocate, learned senior advocate, Partha Sarathi Bhattacharya, sir, he is there for the plaintiff, for the petitioner.
Who
So
are
he
you?
said somebody will be appearing today.
Who are you?
I'm add-on party, my lord.
You are not the petitioner.
I'm not the petitioner, I'm the add-on party.
Come some other day, keep a watch on the list. সিক্সবার দেখেছো হয়ে গেল কিছু করলোই না তো কিশোর দত্তই খালি করে চলে গেল হ্যাঁ আর জয়ন্তও করলো না হ্যাঁ
জয়ন্ত সামন্ত অনেক কিছু করলো।
আর কারো কিছু এই করে যাবে না মরা দিই না কি করা যাবে চলো ডিসমিস হলে তো অ্যাডভান্টেজই